UL Citizens Assembly is a glorious day out for project teams in the University of Limerick to come and meet citizens in Limerick. We work with our partners, the Public Participation Network, the Limerick City and County Council, the Limerick Community Education Network and Corlin and Oak. So between them all, we have citizens from 14 to 82 today. We have 115 citizens who are in the Assembly, and they vote on the projects that will receive funding from the university for the next year. And those projects have to be sustainable, they have to have an engagement plan for the rest of the city or the county, and they also have to have an impact on Limerick. We're getting the research out of the university into the community. It's a wonderful opportunity for our researchers to practice their communication skills and to pitch their ideas to a real audience of real stakeholders to see what are the ideas and the techniques that really work. And it's a wonderful opportunity for people in Limerick not only to make a decision about which are the priorities for the university, but also just to see the wealth of things that we're doing in the university and the range of projects that are available. So the outcomes for the winning projects will be €10,000, which will be in a research account, which is spent on their project. And the lovely thing about this funding is it's not tied to any particular area. So if they need to go to a conference, if they need to take a little bit of time out from their teaching, if they want money for tea and buns because they want to do consultation exercises, whatever it is they need to make their project happen, the funding is available for them.
There's something very special about the University of Limerick. It's a very community-focused university, and a lot of our teaching and research is very much community engaged. But this is a particularly important event, I suppose, to hear the voice of the people and to democratise our research. So what we do in these kind of exercises is we actually present to our community, to our citizens' assembly, we present prospective research projects that would have impact within the communities, and we really hear the voice of the people as to which of those projects they think are worth investing in for the societal impact.